Hello Odisha, good evening. This is Ashish. Welcome to Dreams Academy. In this video, I am going to discuss with you regarding how to check the NCT affiliation by yourself. Actually, I am receiving a lot of requests from the students by call or by message. Sir, is this college has the NCT affiliation? Sir, check this college. So in this video, I am going to tell you how to check by yourself. And also in this video, I am going to clear some of your doubt regarding the revised recognition, continuation, withdrawal. I am going to clear all the doubts. So watch the video till the end. Before going to start, I want to let you know that we are also providing this course under these three university. All universities are recognized by Government of Odisha, approved by UGC and affiliated to NCT. We are going to provide you good service starting from the admission up to getting your certificate. It's all our responsibility. If you want to connect with us, then contact on this number. You can see contact on this number, or you can visit this website bddream.in for more information. So let's start the video. It's very easy. Just go to the Chrome browser. Here you can search NCTE. This is the official website of NCTE. Click on that. So this is the official website of National Council for Teacher Education, that is the NCTE. Here you can see there is a section recognized institution. Just click on that. When you click on the recognized institution, you can see this type of window will open. So now you click on the Southern Regional Committee. When you click on that, you can see this window will open where you have to click the Andhra Pradesh. Here you can see the SRC recognized institution of Andhra Pradesh. So how you can check? Listen, if you know the college name, then direct search on this. And if you don't know the college name, then select district, that is for example Guntur. Select course, that is for example BD, and click on the search button. Now you can see I'm going to explain you something. Look, there is a first college name is AM Reddy College of Education, one of the college. The file name is this. So which is affiliating body, that is Acharya Nagarjuna University. How much student can this college take? That is 100. Look, here you can see the status of the recognition is restoration or continuation. Restoration or continuation. Remember, if the college has a revised recognition, that means the college has the NCT affiliation. But if you see the restoration or continuation, that means actually the NCT has withdrawn their NCT affiliation, but again NCT give that affiliation to the college for the academic session 21, 22, 21. Okay, that means the college has the NCT affiliation. There is no doubt about that. Again, for example, look, there is a college name Acharya NG Ranga College of Education. Same, the status is revised recognition, but for 2021-22 restoration, that means the college NCT actually withdraw their NCT affiliation, and again NCT given that affiliation. So if you know the college name, then just go to the NCT website and you can check. Look, there is a college Akshara College of Education. Now you can see the revised recognition, and there is no other status. That means the college has the NCT affiliation for the academic session 21-22. What happened is a lot of students asking me, sir, give me the affiliation of 21-22 session. Remember, NCT does not give the affiliation every year. If you need to check is your college is affiliated by the NCT or not for the academic section. After getting your certificate, you need to upload the certificate to the NCT website by the OPT RMS web. When you upload that certificate, NCT will give you a online certificate that yes, your college is actually affiliated by the NCT for your academic section 21-23. Suppose you are going to take admission on the Akshara College of Education. Here you can't find the recognition of 21-22. Okay, after completion of BD, when you got the certificate, you need to upload to the NCT website. Then NCT will provide you a proper online certificate. Are you getting my point? Okay. So look, another college is Ali College of Education. Similarly, it has the revised recognition. That means it has the affiliation. Okay. Similarly, you can again see Ali College of Education for BD, restoration or continuation. That means NCT actually have withdrawn their notification, and again NCT given that affiliation. Restoration and continuation means this college has NCT affiliation. I think you have now you have the clear picture, so you can check yourself now. And another doubt, yes, another doubt. What happened is lot of students not able to download this PDF. It shows error. Then they think that the college don't have the NCT application. Actually, not like that. There is some server issue. Always this file number is very important. In this file number, actually the college has the registration in the NCT, the regional NCT committee. Okay. So I think your all doubt is clear now. So if you want to take admission in our institution, then just call our number. And thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, just drop me a message on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.